Still, you are suffering to convert your data into project planning data. You are struggling there. You are taking too much time. Maybe next month your company is going to fire you. Why? Because AI has already transformed the things in very quick way. If you are not going to learn those things as per your job role, you will be the next on the fire list by your company. Yes. In today's video, I can show you the quickness, the speed of Claude AI, how easily it is going to transform your raw data into planning data. If you are a civil engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, this video is 100% beneficial for you because it can save your career, it can upgrade your career, and it can give you an opportunity to enhance your salary. So these few minutes gonna matters a lot. Claude AI is now the reality. Companies are demanding only those engineers, only those schedulers, only those planners who are familiar with Claude AI because Claude AI can do the work for 10 days. What was possible in 10 days, now it is possible in 10 minutes. So stay there till the end of today's video because I'm going to share with you really productive prompt techniques you can use on Claude AI and convert your BOQ or any other data into planning data. So my name is Engineer Vakas. I am the trainer coach for project planning control with Primavera P6 for construction and oil and gas projects. And now I'm teaching and I'm helping people that how Claude and other models, AI models are going to help them. So before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel and also write in the comment section area because randomly I'm going to pick maybe 5 to 10 people and I'm going to give them an opportunity to learn my project planning and scheduling premium things, right? So apart from this one, if you want to know more about me, about this career, about project planning, scheduling, shutdown, delay analysis, career development, or planning engineer job opportunities, you can watch my channel other videos. You can visit out there all the playlist and you will find really valuable data. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. So let's start. On screen, you can see one very refined Excel sheet, but the story is on the other side. What is the story? When we are going to start any project plan, as a site engineer, as a planning engineer, we are given such kind of sheet, right? This is simply building construction project. I'm going to take a case study in this video, in this presentation, right? So this is something given to us by our team. So we have to deal with this raw data. Like if you, I can see this is admin building, civil works is worth of this much money, plumbing work is worth of this much money, firefighting, electrification, ICT, and all that, right? And by the way, I'm more interested to know about your existing job role. If you are working as a site engineer, as a design engineer, you want to transform your career because planning engineer most probably are going to get more salaries as compared to other careers. Here, this is something like a BOQ. So this is the detailed version of the first deliverable, like 10A is over here, civil works. So every single thing is given under this column C, every single thing. So before getting into Primavera P6, exactly what you have to do or before getting into MS project, right? So you need to convert this data. So this is something and furthermore, you have to relate this data with each other. Like you have to prepare project schedule network diagram. So this is simple thing given to you by quantity surveyor, by estimation guys. Okay. So now what exact thing you have to do? Now you are alone all there, right? Of course, there are other team members, project team is there, planning managers are there. So what exact things you have to do with Claude AI? And it is amazing thing, right? So I have practiced this thing on Claude AI. See, this is something like the same BOQ I have uploaded here, right? The same BOQ I have uploaded here. And apart from that one, I have given this instructions. So let me share with you the philosophy how to create your prompt. Prompt is basically is the future of engineers or any other professional who is working out there, right? See, now the prompt is the communication between human and AI model. It is LLM based technique, right? Large language models. So the people like civil engineers, electrical, mechanical are not familiar with coding and programming. So we are going to take our work with the help of AI with such kind of techniques like prompts. So prompt must be very clear, concise, to the point, as per your requirements, as per your techniques. Concepts must be input in that prompt. For example, here I want this Claude AI to convert my raw data into project planning data. So here you can see act as a construction manager of building, construction project, I want you to develop the HTML link based. Now, this is another technique in Claude AI. You can even create some kind of tool based application. Artifact is a one of the feature of Claude AI. So you can also use this second line. I want you to convert BOQ data into planning data. This is my requirement. So every time you are going, because I am teaching people about prompt engineering, it is not one time job. Every day you have to make practice with different kind of lines, and you have to add something more required thing, more conceptual thing, right? So that exactly what you are doing right now, you are training your Claude AI. Okay, so with WBS activity list, now rule is, now I'm explaining my rule, my requirement, that template will be given by Claude AI must be level 1 WBS into phase level. Like if my project is EPC, the first level of WBS must be engineering phase, procurement phase, construction phase, installation phase, and commissioning phase, right? So something like that I'm defining over here. So that is why I always advise to all those learners who are struggling with AI, first master yourself in that respective career, in your domain, with all your definitions, terminologies, concepts, requirements, each and everything. Okay, so then I have given further breakdown must be on the discipline. Like construction is the phase level WBS, the further breakdown must be with the disciplines like civil works, mechanical works, electrical works, right? So I have also given the example here, see, just to train my Claude AI in more exact way. Then further breakdown discipline into product level. Of course we will be having some products like building, steel structure, MEP, pipeline, or any other thing. So just fit those products under those WBS, right? And then activity list. So this complete narrative is based on my, the concept and requirement. This complete narrative as per industry requirement. For example, foundation. Now I'm also giving the same examples, because if you are going to convey your example as per your concept, right? So the Claude AI is not going zigzag left, right? So foundation is lowest level of WBS. I'm just giving here the example. Now it comes along with these activities: site layout, marking, excavation, leveling, PCC, steelwork, formwork, concrete, etc. Create multiple sheet inside one Excel document. First must be phase level WBS and discipline level. Again, I'm repeating my rule. Second sheet will be with all WBS. Now I'm creating two sheets. That is why I just repeat my rule number one. Like first sheet will be comprised of all those WBS, right? You can also get this prompt and you can create your own prompts with amendments into this one, right? But again, one thing I will repeat: master yourself in your career, in the skills, what exactly you want to apply with Claude AI. The second thing, you have to not rely only one time prompt creation. Like, okay, today you are going to sit and write. Now, every day you have to practice on it, right? With the free version of Claude AI. Once you are enough trained, believe me, you are going to rely on your Claude AI base, these creations, developments, like you will be feeling like an experienced planning engineer. So, okay, so whereas another sheet, WBS code, WBS name, activity ID, activity name, activity plan quantity, all these are my requirements. Like what exact things I need in that sheet. I need CSI codes, WBS level must be there, and then coloring. See, level 1 must be blue color, level 2 must be black, level 3 pink. According to this one, it is going to create all of those things. Now I'm going to make a testing. Every time you have to create this prompt, just note down this sequence. First, you have to assign that job role. Like what exact you have to act in this role. Like here, I'm going to create my planning BOQ, converting my planning BOQ into, refine data. So I need to assign the job role as a construction manager, as a BOQ expert, as a project manager. Then put your, give first liner your requirement and give all the requirements. What exact you know about that thing in manual way, just give all those in a good way, in a sequence way, in a connected way, right? And then just give your outcome. I need all these things must be as an output of Excel with this kind of sheet. In first sheet it must be comprised of this data, the second sheet must be comprised of that data. And then always follow the testing, convey, because sometimes you are going to play with these prompts. Maybe Claude AI is going to give you unreliable data, so you have to make sure, conduct a test to make sure the data is accurate. Second test to make sure that outcome of this BOQ, which I'm going to refine the data, is mapping out with the original BOQ. Okay, give the references of BOQ against all the activities. So such kind of put 2 or 3 testing. Okay, inputs out there. So here we go. If I'm going to copy this one and we are going to upload BOQ here. So this is BOQ. This is complete prompt I have uploaded here. Now it has to process all this one. See, let me extract the BOQ into normalized data first. So all these steps are done just in maybe 10 minutes, right? So sheet, it has just given me the concept. Okay, I'm doing like this one. Okay, structure build, test result, check. These all things have been given by me, right? So now it has created such kind of BOQ, which can be shown over here. So I can show you here. This is something I can download and I can show you separately. Here we go. This is something created. This is the first sheet with blue and black color, WBS level 1, WBS level 2, right? Every single thing. Now just imagine the difference. This data, this raw data, and it was done, and keep one thing, it was done only on the basis of that prompt in 10 minutes. And now see, this is the complete comprehensive detail sheet. You are going to use this sheet to load in your Primavera P6. I can give you this sheet, I can give you this BOQ, I can give you this prompt. Try it with your system and start learning these things. And moreover, if you want to learn these things with other your career tasks like site engineering, DPRs, daily progress reports, weekly progress reports, many other things I can help you, right? So write in the comment section area, AI planning engineer or AI engineer. So my team is going to give you an opportunity to attend my upcoming live free masterclass.